So today we're surprising the kids with a visit to Volcano Bay. Cassidy, come on, sweetie. Yeah, get up. Okay, gotta wake you. Come on, time to get up. Jenny, come on. It's time to get up. I didn't know that was here. Look. Look at that thing. That's pretty cool, huh? What is that, Charity? What is that?
Always have to trick us.
What do you mean trick you?
I knew something was going on because I see like all these places.
So we're going to Volcano Bay for the day. We're not staying the night. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's why you said I was going to be so mad.
Yeah.
Oh
Right?
my god.
Right?
More space now.
Say hi. Water's a little chilly.